Ever felt like managing money with someone else was like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded? You've got the shared expenses, the who paid for what, spreadsheet battles, and the constant mental gymnastics of keeping track. Maybe it's a partner, a housemate, a trusted friend, or even a relative. You just need a way to combine your finances, simplify things, and, well, not lose your sanity. And in today's world of digital banking, with its sleek apps and promises of seamless transactions, you'd think it'd be a breeze, right? But then you start digging, and the questions pile up. Can you really trust this app? Does it actually make life easier? And specifically, for those eyeing Starling Bank, the big one, can you even open a joint account? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to cut through the noise and give you a clear, no-nonsense answer to that burning question and explore everything you need to know about joint accounts with Starling. We'll be looking at the benefits, the nitty-gritty of the application process, and even some potential pitfalls to avoid. Let's face it, managing money with someone else can be a minefield. You're trying to build something together, whether it's a home, a business, or just a shared life, but the finances can quickly become a source of tension. The constant back and forth, the missed payments, the I thought you paid that moments, it adds unnecessary stress. And that's where a joint account comes in. It's supposed to be the solution, the digital peace treaty, the way to streamline everything. But does it live up to the hype? Starling Bank, with its reputation for innovation and user-friendly interface, is a popular choice for many. They've built a strong following with their focus on transparency and ease of use. But what about joint accounts? How does it fit into their offerings? The short answer is yes, Starling Bank does offer joint accounts. And it's designed to be as straightforward as possible. You and your partner can easily manage your shared finances through the Starling app, which is known for its intuitive design. But just knowing they exist is only the beginning. Let's delve into the specifics. First, let's talk about the benefits. Why would you even consider a joint account in the first place? Well, the most obvious advantage is simplicity. You can pool your money into one place, making it easier to track your shared expenses. Whether it's rent, bills, groceries, or that dream vacation you're saving for, everything is in one place, accessible to both of you. Starling takes this a step further with their real-time notifications. Every transaction is instantly visible to both account holders, eliminating those "did you pay" moments. You can both see exactly where your money is going, fostering transparency and trust. Another key benefit is the ability to set up dedicated spaces within the joint account. Think of spaces as virtual pots where you can allocate funds for specific purposes. You could have a rent space, a grocery space, or even a holiday fund space. This helps you stay organized and ensures that you're both on the same page when it comes to your financial goals. The application process is designed to be seamless. Both applicants need to have their own personal Starling accounts first. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that each individual is verified and has access to the app's full functionality. Once you both have your personal accounts, you can initiate the joint account application directly through the app. The process is entirely digital, meaning you don't have to visit a branch or deal with mountains of paperwork. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your names, addresses, and dates of birth. Starling will then verify your identities and credit history. It's important to note that both applicants need to agree to the terms and conditions of the joint account. This ensures that you're both aware of your responsibilities and rights. Once approved, the joint account is instantly accessible through the app. However, like any financial product, there are some potential pitfalls to be aware of. One of the most important is understanding the implications of joint liability. If one account holder overdraws the account, both of you are responsible for the debt. This means that your credit score could be affected, even if you weren't the one who made the overspending. Another consideration is the potential for disagreements. Even with the best intentions, financial conflicts can arise. It's crucial to have open and honest conversations about your spending habits and financial goals. Starling's transparency features can help, but they won't solve underlying communication issues. Additionally, while Starling's app is generally user-friendly, there might be a learning curve for some users, especially those who are not tech-savvy. It's important to take the time to familiarize yourself with the app's features and functionalities. So, to recap, Starling Bank does offer joint accounts, and they're designed to be user-friendly and transparent. The benefits include simplified money management, real-time notifications, and dedicated spaces for budgeting. However, it's crucial to understand the implications of joint liability and to have open communication with your partner. Ultimately, whether a joint account with Starling is right for you depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a digital banking solution that offers convenience, transparency, and robust features, it's definitely worth considering. But remember, it's not a magic bullet. It requires open communication, mutual trust, and a clear understanding of your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.